Strap yourselves in, because today's video is gonna be totally different than every other one. Oh, that was corny. What's up, everybody? Today's video is gonna be actually sort of like a vlog style video. I figured it's early Saturday morning. Why not take you guys through one of my weekends? It is minus 11 degrees Celsius outside. For those of you guys in Fahrenheit, I probably put it on the screen because I'm considerate. I'm gonna take you guys through my weekend. Honestly, starting with cleaning. I'll probably have to do this again in another shot, to be honest. Let's do it. Oh my God, how did I forget to turn the D on? Oh, purple. Yeah, we'll do purple. Okay, shot number one is clean. I don't usually start with cleaning, to be honest with you. But for the vlog, I am. I usually start with a cup of hot chocolate. What you wanna do is reach in your cup compartment. Grab your favorite mug, which by the way is this one for me. This is such a beautiful ass cup. Yellow on top and like ceramic on the bottom. It's just so nice. Where did I get this? Now here at Dan's house, we've got multiple different types of hot chocolate, but since we got a busy day ahead of us, we're just gonna do Carnation. It's the pre-packaged kind. Rip it. Pop it under. 8 ounces, baby. Okay, and just like that, that's how you make Dan's secret hot chocolate. I'm all ready to get roasted in the comments for saying,
that's fake hot chocolate, that's synthetic, that's not even real.
I get it, guys. I have real hot chocolate, but it's only for special occasions. That's like my champagne. It's like, what do you say? We open up the good hot chocolate tonight. I'm gonna finish this cup of hot chocolate, and then I wanna show you guys some like art crafts. Art crafts, is that a thing? Is that a... I'm always doing some sort of art thing behind the scenes when I'm not recording videos. I genuinely love doing DIYs, how-tos in my own time. I wanna show you guys what I'm working on right now. Oh, I didn't order an elevator. Oh, might as well see where it takes me. Bye. I am super self-conscious about showing you guys my mess. It's always unattractive and it makes me seem sloppy. Oh my God, are you ready? Oh my God, this is so embarrassing. This is my mess. But if you're gonna judge me right now, please give me the chance to explain what's going on here. This bottle was from when I went to the gym. Partially left it in there so I could say this, that I go to the gym and I'm getting swole. Definitely not how you flex, but that's okay. Sunglasses because I had a migraine for the past 2 days. I got some paint because right now I'm currently making a 90s themed dinner tray. Lately I've been attempting a new form of art. I'm making resin diamonds. So in this vase right here are a bunch of the testers that I've made. So these are hard acrylic resin diamonds. This one's my favorite, which was a huge success. It's like a marble diamond. It's acrylic, but I mixed in white paint with black paint. So it kind of looks like it's made of marble. Let's clean, baby. Bingo! And just like that, we're done cleaning. And here's my Dyson, just for the clout monsters out there. I got a Dyson, baby, hey. Right now, I'm actually gonna take you guys to a very special store I've never been to. I just found it on Google. It's called the Bee Shop. I'm gonna try and eat some raw honeycomb. Okay, welcome to my car, baby. This store literally sells anything that is made or is partnered with a bee. Anything that was collabed with a bee. Why is there traffic at 12:30 on a Saturday? Where are you guys going? There's no way we're all going to the bee store. Where were we? Happy Australian Day to all my Australian followers. If you guys are watching this, you have the second hottest accent in the world. I love an Australian accent, my God. Good eye, mate. Want to see my tits? I'm like, oh my God. Actually, that's more UK. Second hottest accent in the world. The first one, of course, being, this one from me. Next up, the Bee Shop, baby. I don't know if it's open. I drove by. On Google, it says it's open. I'm literally dressed like a guy that would be at the Bee Shop on a Saturday. Plaid shirt. Looks like I've just been like hiving some bees. My stepdad's shoes. It was, not only was it open, but they had the honeycomb. Literally the coolest store ever. Candles, a ton of honey, all different flavors. The guy himself is a beekeeper and he teaches beekeeping classes. $12 for this little tin of honey. If you guys are ever in Toronto, stop at the Bee Shop, say Dan sent you. The guy will be so confused because I never introduced myself. Okay, back to my house, bye. It's this little container, it's $11.50. This is meant to be eaten on bread, crackers. If you're gonna eat it, you will be also consuming the wax, which is healthy for you, but a lot of people are really grossed out by the wax. We're gonna put on some gloves. Here we go, let's open this bad boy up. That smells like the most natural honey I've ever seen, look at that. This is the honeycomb. Inside of these combs is full of honey. There it is. This thing is absolutely loaded with honey. Ready? First off, the honey's amazing. The wax is chewy as hell. This is not hard at all to eat, other than the wax. The wax is formed like a bubble gum. That's all the wax from the honey. Let's do this last piece. That wasn't hard at all. The wax part, I will admit the wax part is hard to get by. It's like the same texture as like an airhead. No regrets with that at all. Those combs, when you're eating them, they're like bursting honey into your mouth. But from all the videos I saw online, they were making it seem like it was so much harder to eat this. That was good, man. I love honey. That was my plan today, was I was gonna actually film a whole separate video eating the honeycomb, but I'm glad that I combined it with this because that was delicious for one. I might as well finish my 90s theme baking tray now, just so you guys can kind of see what I'm trying to get at here. So what I'm doing right now is I've actually designed a stencil on the computer right here. So to you guys right now, this just looks like a blue piece of paper, but you'll actually start to see what I did. The drop shadow for the words whatever. Next, we're gonna take some transfer tape. This is essentially just a giant piece of tape. Put it over the stencil just like that. Peel it, and hopefully, see that? The stencil's now coming up with the tape. Very carefully, we have to line up where whatever is gonna go. Now we're gonna peel off transfer tape. We wanna paint this, and usually with stencils, you guys should use a sponge or something. I've got an old mop. Obviously, I'm not gonna use because I don't live in the 1920s. Especially this kind. Cut just a little piece. Just like that. We have a little sponge that we can do our stencil with. We're actually doing this in yellow. The actual font will be pink, like a sort of a hot pink. The drop shadow is gonna be more of a yellow. You dip the sponge in the paint, tap it on where your stencil is. We're gonna do a couple layers of yellow, so once this dries, we'll do the next layer. We did about 5 layers, I think. You're gonna slowly peel off the stencil. Next what we're gonna do is we're gonna put painter's tape here so we have straight lines. Okay, so for this one we're gonna do some airbrushing just because airbrushing goes on way smoother than like dabbing. You can go ahead and slowly peel back the newspaper. We're gonna have to leave this to dry for probably the rest of the day. I'm gonna do the rest tomorrow. Oh my God, it is Sunday. I went to a party, someone's birthday party. It was just pretty chill. Cut it with the sword! Sword! Cut it with the sword. Calm time. Oh my God! You ever get that where your hands are like really weak in the morning? I call this the Richie Rich pour. You ever seen Richie Rich where he pours it like, oh, when he pours it really high? How come with me, when it comes to tribute videos, only like my rural, like Russian followers decide to do that? A tribute video is always a sweet gesture. Mine always have like weird, like haunty music. Just like, it's never like cute or like you just love him. It's just like, what the f is this guy doing in the kitchen? I see other YouTubers tribute videos and it'll be like, really like popular, beautiful songs. But I get these like amateurs from like Siberia. Like check this out, okay? And this is my montage video, okay? I'm gonna like eat my cereal with good music and then I'll eat my cereal with like the music I only seem to get. Versus yeah, put some Blink-182 or like Celine Dion. That might be a little too sappy. I gotta finish my 90s platter, so we're gonna do the pink writing. Let's get it started, let's do this. Peel and reveal. Oh my God, no overspray at all. That turned out so good. Once this is done, I'm gonna coat it in resin so it'll be protected. It'll be a nice, glossy, shiny finish. And there we have it. That right there is my 90s themed breakfast tray. If you're watching this a couple days after I uploaded this video and you go to my Instagram at Danocracy, I'm gonna post a final photo of this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this sort of like vlog carry on of what my weekends are like. If you guys enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. That's what it's like to hang out with me for a weekend. I literally have to start editing this video. I'm already behind schedule. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys want to get some Danocracy diamond merch, link in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.